My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the site Safecity.vip. Safecity.vip is a malicious website. Believe me, the majority of all these pop-ups on my screen are by this website, Safecity.vip. This pop-up claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security application, but the truth is that Safecity.vip is a deceptive website. It is not related to any decent security program. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind them. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by Safecity.vip, don't interact with them, don't install anything that they suggest. As I said, these pop-ups promote potentially unwanted software. Such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware on your computer. I recommend you to carefully research the control panel, and if you find any programs that might be suspicious, get rid of them. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you investigate it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats. Combo Cleaner will help you to do that effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.